Hello everyone. Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
The noun. Kinds of nouns. Common nouns. Look at the pictures and then read aloud the sentences under each of them. The teacher speaks to his pupils. Mice fear cats. There are 3 windows in this room. There are 3 pastries on the plate. These apples and mangoes are sweet. Teacher and pupils are the names of persons. Mice and cats are the names of animals. Windows and room are the names of places. Pastries and plate are the names of things. Apples and mangoes are the names of things. All these nouns are common nouns. Repeat quickly words which are used as names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. Learn some more common nouns. Proper nouns. Read the sentences aloud. Tom is my friend. She lives in Chennai. The Ganges is a holy river. The Titanic was the biggest ship ever made. Tom, Chennai, the Ganges, the Titanic are names which belong to a particular person, place or thing. They are called proper nouns. Friend, river, ship are names which do not point out any particular person, place or thing. They are common to all persons, places or things of the same class or kind. Such nouns are called common nouns. Remember, begin special names with a capital letter. Jack and Jill, New Delhi, Kolkata, New Year's Day. Abstract nouns. Read the sentences aloud. My uncle enjoys good health. The man showed me great kindness. She felt a great pain. The word health stands for state. It denotes a thing which we cannot see or touch. It is a name of something we can only think of. The word kindness stands for a quality. It is also a name of something we can only think of. The word pain stands for a feeling. Again, it stands for something we can only feel. The words health, kindness, pain are called abstract nouns. A name given to some state, quality or feeling that one can only think of is called an abstract noun. Learn some more abstract nouns. Joy, happiness, strength, honesty, courage, success. Collective nouns. Here are 4 pictures. Study them and read loudly the sentences given. There was a large crowd of people on the street. The army marched away. I saw a flock of sheep in the field. There is a bunch of keys. The word crowd stands for a collection of persons. The word army stands for a collection of soldiers. The word flock stands for a collection of sheep. The word bunch stands for a collection of keys. Crowd, army, flock and bunch are collective nouns. A name given to a collection of persons or things taken as one is called a collective noun. So you have now learnt that there are 4 kinds of nouns: the common noun, the proper noun, the abstract noun, and the collective noun.
Pick out the names of animals and places in the sentence given. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal, Agra. The national animal of India is the tiger. India, tiger. The leopard is the fastest and land animal. Leopard. There is a beautiful park in front of my house. House, park. I love Goa because of its golden beaches. Goa, beaches. One word in each list is not a noun. Drag it and drop it in a bag. Here. City, out, country, town. Out. Frog, fish, shark, shine. Shine. Walk, tortoise, duck, rabbit. Walk. Books, pens, write, paper. Write. Bread, eat, jam, butter. Eat.
The verb. Look at the pictures and then read the sentences given under them. Fire burns. Raman laughs. The sun shines in the sky. Fishes swim. The words burns, laughs, shines and swim say something about fire, Raman, the sun, fish. Words which say something are called verbs. Verbs also tell us about actions, what the subject is doing. Kamala is reading a book. The boys are playing football. Is reading and are playing also say something about the subject, Kamala, and the boys. Note, a verb sometimes can be of more than one word. Learn some more doing words. Birds fly. Birds build nests. Ships sail across the sea. The cat is climbing a tree. Rivers flow into the sea. The farmer is plowing the field.
Match column A with its opposites in column B. Laugh, cry, slow, fast, build, break, float, sink, rise, fall. Drag and drop the right verb from the bag to complete each sentence. Aeroplanes dash in the air. fly in the air. Apples dash on trees. Grow. Dogs dash at strangers. Bark at strangers. Stars dash in the sky. Shine. Good boys dash the truth.